and welcome back to the channel. And you join me on my first ever unboxing video. I never ever thought I'd do one of these, but there you go. Purchased this, just turned up. I'm hoping it's going to be a success. I'm not too sure, we'll see. But I genuinely haven't opened it. This is actually the first time I will have seen it. And what I've done, I did mention it in the last video actually, I've tried to buy a cheaper version of an item that when it's specific for motorcycles is quite expensive, and this is roughly half the price. But I think it's the same product near enough. To give you a clue, Poor Hut. This is actually a company that supplies the pet trade. So that might give you a hint as to what this is. But anyway, let's get on with it. Let's open it and see what this is like. Oh. Tell you what, my trusty Swiss Army knife. I'm really quite excited to see how this works. And what it is like. There we are. So, I think I'll tip this upside down. A couple of parts there, that'll give you a hint. Let's put this upside down and get it out. Yeah. And there we go, there we have it, as you can see. You know what it is yet? Yeah, let's get it out. Through there, get all this out of the way. Is there a handle on it? Oh, it's upside down, so isn't it? Like that. And there we go. It is a dryer. It's a chunky looking thing, isn't it? Yeah, it feels really good. It's a motorcycle dryer. Well, it's not a motorcycle dryer, clearly it's a pet dryer, but they're exactly the same thing. The difference being that the motorcycle dryers tend to be quite a lot more than the pet ones are. This was just under £50, which is quite a bargain. It's a 2,800 watt jobby. It's got all the accessories, and the only, oh, this is heavy. Oh, this has got some real weight to it. The only difference, as I was going to say, is this lead tends to be short, not lead, pipe, hose, tends to be shorter on the pet dryers than it is on the motorcycle ones. But I thought, to be honest, when you're saving, it's half price almost, is it going to make any difference? Because it's quite stretchy. I tell you what, this feels really good quality. There's some real weight in that. I'm surprised by that. Feels really good. Very stretchy. And you have here, let's have a look. You've got heat control. How does that work? Oh, up and down. Heat control, 2 heats. And a power switch and a variable, I think that's variable speed. And a selection of nozzles. So there we go. And as I said, this is specifically called a pet hairdryer, but technically no difference whatsoever from the ones that they sell as a motorcycle dryer, and ask twice the price for. So the only thing to do now is to give it a test. So let's have a bit of a close-up look. It looks really good actually, it looks well made, it's heavy, there's some real weight to it. Decent quality lead, and quite long as well. And the switches all feel very positive, a real solid metallic sort of feel to them. Switch feels okay. Yeah, it feels quite a solid, chunky little unit. I'm hoping it will perform as solidly as it looks. So there we go. Let's go and see how it performs. Well, the first consideration is the length of that hose and whether it's going to be long enough for this application. I've just set it up like this, and I think, to be honest, as long as you dry one side of the bike at once, it's absolutely fine. It's more than long enough, and you can reach the entire one side of the bike one at a time, and all you'd have to do then is move it obviously to the other side. So I don't think that's a problem at all. So I've given the bike a good soak, and we'll see just how effective this is. Inside the garage now, and what's the verdict on the little pet hair dryer come motorcycle dryer? Well, absolutely positive, brilliant. I think it's absolutely excellent. It's as good as I expected it to be, if not better actually. I was wondering if it's going to be powerful enough. It certainly is. I mean, I have got a leaf blower, and that is nowhere near as effective as this is, because you can focus the airflow through the little nozzle. Makes all the difference in the world. So 100% love it. I have it on, as you can see by the, you see down there, I have it on flat out on the airflow, which is that knob in the centre. Power button to the other side, heat on the other, two choices of heat. It's all you need, and works really, really well. So I hope this has been some use to you if you were thinking about buying one of those. Personally, I'd highly recommend them. So that's all from me. I will see you next time, probably back out on the road again. Thanks for watching, as always, and see you soon. Bye for now.